Welcome back to One Click Away. My name is Mike Wilcoxon, and this episode is all about how to get started trading stocks on Robinhood. Today at One Click Away, I'm going to give you a brief down and dirty on how to get started with the Robinhood stock trading platform. So let's get into it. Now, in my opinion, Robinhood is one of the easiest free stock trading platforms that exists out there today. It's really good for beginners because it's nice and simple, gives a great user interface, and allows people who've never traded stocks before to feel comfortable and get their feet wet. It's not just great for beginners, but it's also good for advanced level users and maybe even expert level users that just decide that they don't need all the different technical charts and analysis and things that make stock trading more confusing than it needs to be. It's especially a good platform if you're a really conservative long-term investor where the technicalities of the stocks don't necessarily matter to you as much as someone who might be a swing trader or a day trader. Alright, the first step to get signed up with Robinhood is that you need to download the Robinhood app from the App Store on your phone. So navigate to the App Store or the Google Play Store, find the Robinhood app, which has a green background and a white feather, and download it to your phone. Once you've downloaded the app, this next part is super important. What you're going to want to do is expand the description down below this video. And in the description, you're going to see my link to Robinhood. Now, if you click on this link and you use this link to sign up, you will get a free stock from Robinhood, and so will I. That's only if you use that link there. So do me a huge favor, expand the description, click on that link after you've already downloaded the app, and that way we both get a nice free Robinhood stock. Could be anywhere from a penny stock all the way up to like an Apple or a Tesla, which is worth several $100s. So do me a huge favor, use that link, and you'll get rewarded, and so will I. I appreciate that. Just so you know, guys, the link in the description is just a referral code to make sure that I get a free stock and that you get a free stock when we use that link to sign up. Right, I'm going to leave it down here. The referral code is https://join.robinhood.com/michaeaw20471. Alright, it's right there. Thank you, and let's move on to the next part. Once you click that link, it's going to open up your app on your phone for you, and you continue on with the registration process. Alright, so I downloaded the Robinhood app. I guess they changed the feather to green now, whatever. But this is it. So we're going to open it up, and it gives you the sign up screen. So we're going to press sign up and find your country. For me, it's United States, and click continue. Alright, put in your email address. It's going to bring up a privacy disclosure. Just press continue. And now you're going to create your Robinhood password. So make sure that you pick something that's relatively complex, but something that you're going to remember. And make sure you write it down too. Alright, here's where we're going to put in your legal name. My name is Michael. Alright, it's going to send you a link to verify your email address. So just head over to your email, go find that link, click on it, and then you'll get this screen right here. Alright, this screen right here, just put in your phone number, and it's just in case Robinhood needs to contact you about anything. Put in your date of birth, and now put in your legal address of where you live right now. Once that's all done, put in your citizenship. A couple other steps left. Now you're going to have to put in your social security number. That way they can send you a tax form when it's tax time. Alright, this screen right here asks you how much experience that you have investing. None, not much, you know what you're doing, or I'm an expert. I'm going to put none. Alright, almost at the finish line. Robinhood needs to know if you're employed, unemployed, retired, or you're a student. I'm going to put employed, and now you're going to enter your employer name in your job description. Couple final questions, yes or no. If you have a family member that works for another brokerage, I'm going to put no. Alright, and review your application on the screen. Probably a whole bunch of stuff that's pretty important, so you should probably read it all, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to press submit application. Alright, so after you've done that, this is what your home screen looks like. If you look at the top right here, it tells you overall how much money that you have that you're investing. And there's your line chart right there. And then you have different charts, all in different periods of time. You have the 1 day chart, the 1 week chart, the 1 month chart, 3 month, 1 year, and all time. So it gives you a pretty good idea of how you've been doing. Below that is buying power, so that just shows you how much money that you have to continue to buy stocks with. You have a little notification center. For me, I have an options call here. And right underneath that it says stocks. So that will encompass all the stocks that you currently own. Below that is my watch list area. So you can go in and pick which stocks that you want to have in this area so you can get a quick glance and look at them and see how they're doing at any one time. If you click on the price itself, it brings up an option for you if you want to see that stock's last price, or if you want to see the amount that in percentage that it changed each day. So for example, if I click on percent change, it shows that, for example, GameStop is up 109% right now on the day. AMC is at 175% on the day. Alright, if we scroll down here, you can see that you can also invest in the price of cryptocurrencies. There's a whole bunch of those. Alright, so now let me show you how to go about actually buying a stock. It's really, really easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the magnifying glass in the bottom middle right here. Now you can either browse for a company by typing in the field at the top, or you can browse Robinhood's lists of different compilations of stocks. This is the upcoming earnings one here. You have the 100 most popular, cannabis, pharma, energy, whatever types of stocks that you're interested in. So I'm going to go to 100 most popular, and then I'm going to find, I don't know, let's just go with AT&T. So right now AT&T is trading at $29.47. So I'm going to click on that one. And here we go. It also has the 1 day, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and 5 year chart. It also has a candlestick chart here for you as well. Alright, so I'm going to scroll down. Right now I currently own 1 share of AT&T. Scroll down some more. There's statistics about that stock, some news, an area for analyst ratings, what the bulls and what the bears are saying about that stock. Morningstar's research report to let you know how good of a stock it is and how they think that it's going to perform over time. A little earnings chart and some related lists, as well as other stocks that people also own. And right where it says history right here shows when I bought the stock and for how much. At the very bottom is some relevant information about the stock itself. So if you like it, you can click on the trade button in the lower right hand corner and click on buy. And I just want to buy 1 stock of AT&T, 1 share. If you don't want to buy it by the share, you can go to the upper right hand corner where it says shares and click on buy in dollars, and you can buy as little as $1 of a share if you want. So I'm just going to do that to make it real easy. $1 is the minimum amount of money that you can spend to buy a share of a stock. So I'm going to click on review, and at the bottom it says order summary, basically telling you you're going to buy $1 worth of AT&T in my case for that price. I'm going to say okay, it sounds good. You're going to swipe up from the bottom. It says order received, and you're all set. There's your confirmation page for you. And after you buy it, you go back to the lower left icon at the very bottom, click it, scroll down, and you can see under stocks that my share of AT&T is there. I hope this video gave you some insights to the basics on how to download Robinhood, sign up, and buy your first stock. In videos to come, I'm going to get a little bit more into it. I'm going to maybe suggest some starter funds and do a little bit more with exactly how Robinhood works. I'm also going to suggest some other platforms for investing, and I got a bunch of other tools and services that I'm going to show you. But for now, I highly suggest that you go and sign up for a Robinhood account. Please, 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 please make sure to use the link in the description to this video and sign up for Robinhood through that link after you downloaded the app, and that way we both help each other out. We both get a free stock. So, guys, thanks for stopping by 1 click away. I appreciate it. My name's Mike Wilcox, and thanks for stopping by. See you next time.